welcome back to Decor Studio, your go-to channel for inspiring home decor ideas. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of luxurious, elegant white winter wonderland home styling featuring dazzling crystal and opulent gold accents. The magic of white winter decor. White winter decor creates a serene and sophisticated atmosphere, transforming your home into a tranquil retreat. This timeless style embraces purity and elegance, perfect for the colder months. Imagine soft textures, shimmering finishes, and a palette of crisp whites, creams, and silvers. This foundation allows for endless possibilities when incorporating glamorous elements and personal touches. Incorporating crystal elements. Crystal elements bring an unparalleled sparkle and luxury to any space, mimicking the natural shimmer of ice and snow. Think crystal chandeliers, decorative bowls, and candle holders. These radiant pieces catch and reflect light beautifully, creating a dazzling display that instantly elevates your decor. Placement is key for maximizing their luminous effect and enhancing the overall ambience. Consider adding crystal garlands to your mantle or around mirrors for an extra touch of festive glitter. Small crystal figurines or ornaments also contribute to this elegant and cohesive theme. Golden accents for warmth and glamour. Gold accents introduce warmth and a regal touch, contrasting beautifully with the crisp white and sparkling crystal. Gold frames, vases, and ornate mirrors are excellent choices. The interplay of gold with white and crystal adds depth and richness, preventing the decor from feeling too cold. It creates a harmonious balance that feels both inviting and grand. Don't shy away from mixing different shades of gold, from bright polished gold to more subdued matte finishes. This variety adds visual interest and sophistication to your winter wonderland. Luxurious textiles and textures. Soft, luxurious textiles are essential for creating a cozy and inviting winter wonderland. Think faux fur throws, velvet cushions, and plush rugs. These textures add tactile comfort and visual warmth, making your space feel incredibly inviting and opulent. Layering different materials enhances the sensory experience of the room. Consider draping a faux fur throw over a sofa or armchair, and arranging velvet pillows for a touch of refined comfort. A thick, shaggy rug can ground the space and add a cloud-like feel. Lighting for a magical glow. Thoughtful lighting is crucial for enhancing the magical glow of your winter wonderland. Fairy lights, LED candles, and soft lamps create a warm, inviting ambience. Use warm white lights to complement the golden accents and crystal elements, casting a gentle, welcoming radiance. Strategic placement can highlight key decor pieces and create focal points. String fairy lights along shelves or windows, or place LED candles inside lanterns and hurricane vases for a safe and enchanting flicker. Dimmer switches allow for adjustable mood lighting. Elegant table settings. For elegant table settings, combine white dinnerware with gold-rimmed plates and crystal stemware. This creates a sophisticated and festive dining experience. Add a white tablecloth, gold chargers, and a centerpiece featuring white flowers, crystal ornaments, and small golden accents. Napkins tied with a gold ribbon complete the look. Consider incorporating subtle touches like gold cutlery or decorative place cards with a golden motif. These small details elevate the entire dining experience for your guests. Creating a stunning entrance. Your entrance sets the tone for your entire home. Adorn your entryway with white garlands, golden wreaths, and sparkling crystal accents. A console table can feature a display of white candles, a crystal vase with white flowers, and a gold tray. A large mirror with a gold frame will amplify the light and space. Consider placing a small, elegant white rug at the entrance to welcome guests into your luxurious winter sanctuary. This first impression speaks volumes about your home style. DIY touches and personalization. Personalize your winter wonderland with easy DIY projects that add unique charm. Create your own crystal and gold ornaments or gilded pine cones. These handmade elements add a personal touch and can be a fun activity. Use clear glass ornaments and fill them with small golden beads or glitter for a custom look. Thank you for joining us today at Decor Studio. We hope you feel inspired to create your own luxurious white winter wonderland. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more amazing home decor ideas.